One day, a man was walking past an elephant camp when he noticed something strange. Despite their huge size, the elephants were only tied with a small rope around one of their legs. They didn't try to break free, even though they easily could. Curious, the man asked a trainer nearby, "Why don't these elephants escape?" The trainer smiled and said, "When they were young, we used the same small rope to tie them. At that time, they weren't strong enough to break it. As they grew up, they believed they still couldn't break free, so they never even try." The man was amazed. These powerful animals were trapped only by a false belief. Moral of the story is, many of us go through life holding on to limiting beliefs, thinking we can't achieve something just because we failed before. But the truth is, failure is just a stepping stone. You are stronger than you think.